Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this beautiful bun in less than 60 seconds. To start, I've left out some hair to frame the face on both sides, then just secure the rest of the hair into a low ponytail. On the last turn of the elastic, only pull the ends part way through to create a small loop. Make sure your ends are pointing upwards. Then push the loop towards the head and secure at the bottom with a couple of bobby pins. Now taking the ends, I'm going to bring them from the left over to the right hand side, twisting the ends as I go, and then just tucking them underneath that loop. Hold to the head and secure with a few more bobby pins at both sides and through the middle. Then just secure with some strong hold hairspray. And it really is that quick and easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.